going on, everybody? So we got an update with the 240. The update is the fuel system is completely shot. We ended up pulling the pump out, and that thing was like rusted shut. So I am in the middle of right now. I just cleaned out the gas tank. We got a fresh pump in it. We're replacing all the fuel lines from the tank to the front. So let me just go over a couple things. This is the stock filter. I'm pretty sure this has been on this car since like the dawn of existence. So I don't even know if they make filters that look like this anymore. I tried blowing into this thing and I don't know, man, it's super clogged. So it's a good thing that we're changing this out right now, you know, sooner than later. So pretty much, as I stated before, this car has been sitting for 7 years or something like that, or maybe even longer than that, who knows. But I know this filter looks like the OG ones from like Nissan, and yeah, this thing is completely clogged. We got a brand new filter. Shout out to AutoZone for always carrying the stuff all the time. So we got a brand new filter, we got brand new hoses. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna delete this little junction area just because I feel like this is really pointless. Like I don't even know why, like honestly I don't know why they did this. So I'm gonna try to clean this up as much as possible. I'm getting rid of this. I'm basically gonna run the hose straight to that. Boom, it's gonna look a lot cleaner with this weird bracket thing gone. Little by little I am gonna start cleaning this bay up because she's looking rough, man. I like my engine bays to look real clean. You know, I could show you, for example, like a little prime example. It's not that cleaned up, but I mean, just stuff that's like on the sides with the wiring and stuff like that. So this is an example coming from a Honda guy. So much cleaner. I don't know why. I don't know. I guess from factory they come like that or whatever. Eventually we're just gonna end up, you know, I'm gonna end up ripping this whole harness out anyway and redoing it. Yeah, on to the next. We got plugs, wires, caps, rotor, and then depending on how it runs, we might pull the injectors out and service them as well. So look at these things. Holy crap.
It's been 67 years.
Yeah, it looks like they found these at the bottom of the Titanic. Damn, my phone's on. There we are. Look at that. These are pretty beat. And let's keep. Alright, so we got a new battery in. We got rid of that. New distributor cap. Oh, the headlights work. New spark plugs. New pump, fuel pump. If I calculate my calculations are correct, this motherfucker shit turned on. Does the motor work on them? It sounds like it's on 2 cylinders almost.
No, I mean, fucking fuel is dry. You hook up the plugs all the way?
Yeah. I could tell you now, it definitely does sound like it's on like 2 cylinders or something. Could be a dirty injector.
You haven't cleaned them yet?
No, I haven't taken them off. All right, so we tested number 4 cylinder, the dead one, and it seems like it's giving 180 psi, which is pretty good. So now we're testing which one next? Number 2?
Yep.
We're not going to do number 3 because whoever owned it before us cross-threaded it, and yeah, we're not trying to take it out anymore. So, but I'm going to pull the injectors off, and we got injector cleaner machine over there. I'm going to see if it's the injectors, which I think it could be. All right, ready? Turn it over, fool.
$60.
It's not too bad. It's more than enough. We will test injectors. Oh, it's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I'm pretty sure the cylinders are going to be all good.
More than likely. If anything, number 3 might be a little whack. That's just going to be because of the spark plug.
You don't have any injectors laying around, huh? So, well, it looks like I'm going to have to throw some Civic injectors in there.
You don't have Civic injectors?
I might have some, yeah. I mean, just to get it turned on, maybe. Sure, that's 180. No, yeah. Honestly, maybe. Huh. Maybe we should turbo this after all. Alright, here's the ultimate test. Damn.
Dust off that pussy.
Oh, it's already kicking on. Okay, there might be hope. Well, we're going to try to bring this one back to life. Wait, hold on. What's he talking about right now?
All that shit talking didn't let me find out that this one has a fucking some pigeon legs.
I'm not going to lie. Hey, your ankles are pretty little. Alright, so that's how they start out looking. Let's see if we can bring these back. Alright, so after, 20 minutes in the bath, let's see what it does. Oh, they're spraying now. Yeah, 2 of them were just dead completely. So we got a little bit of life out of them now. Actually, a lot of bit of life. That looks pretty even. But to play it safe, I'm going to bath this one more time. These things right here, these are called baskets. These go inside of the injector. And they pretty much try to catch whatever your filter don't catch. So these baskets have never been changed. They are from like whenever the car was made in 89, 88, something like that, one of those years. So I'm gonna get these baskets in. I already got a new basket in this one. But that's part of the service we offer here too. We do service injectors, and I'm gonna tell you right now, this is a big money saver, because if your injectors are not spraying right, your engine's not happy, and that's when you start burning stuff up. Melting pistons, breaking rings, a whole bunch of stuff can just go wrong. So yeah, I'm gonna finish putting these back together. On now, all cylinders are firing. on the timing light. There it is. It runs on all 4 cylinders. We still got to do a couple more things with this, but I'm happy that we're able to bring back the injectors, that we're able to change out the fuel lines, the filter, all that. So she turns on quick, easy, and pretty satisfied. So we will give you guys some more updates later on in the week. It's late as hell. It's like 3 o'clock right now. So I'm going to get some sleep because I'm tired.